Following tissue expander to implant exchange, you can shower after 48 hours. You can exercise after 1 week as long as you're not doing anything that involves bouncing. And I'd prefer you not do any exercises that involve your pec muscles for a few weeks. So something like a stationary bike is a good thing to do initially. Assuming everything is healed up, you can go swimming and go underwater after 3 weeks. You do not have to wear a bra if you don't want to. That is totally up to you. If I had to do lots of other things to control the position of the future implant, I may ask you to wear a specific bra to help support things while they heal. But under normal circumstances, following tissue expander to implant exchange, you do not need to wear a bra. As far as incision care goes, as soon as the steri-strips fall off, we'll have you use paper tape to put on top of the healing incisions up until 6 weeks following surgery, and then you can discontinue the use of the paper tape. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.